Welcome viewers. In this video, I'm going to tell you when to use made of and made from. So let's begin. Now when to use made of. Basically, when we talk about the material and the quality of that material that has not changed, we use made of. Here you see a chair. The chair is made of wood. Why made of? Because the quality of that wood has not changed, has not undergone a change in the process of making this chair, and that's why we are using made of. Same with the window is made of glass. As you can see, the glass has not changed. That's why this window is made of glass. The train is made of iron. The iron has not undergone a change in the process of making this train, and that's why made of. The book is made of paper. Here also the quality of that paper, the characteristic of that paper has not undergone a change. Only the shape has changed, and that's why we say the book is made of paper. I hope you have understood when to use made of. When we talk about the material of that substance and that has not changed, we use made of. Now the use of made from. When to use made from? As you can see here, this medicine. As we know, medicines are made from plants and chemicals. But when we see the final product, we don't find the characteristics or the features of its material, that is plant and chemicals, and that's why we say medicine is made from plants and chemicals. Made from, not made of. Why? Because the final product is totally different and the material has undergone a change in the process of making this medicine. Now you see here butter. Butter is made from milk. Why made from? Because the milk has undergone a change and the final product, that is butter, is totally different. You cannot find the qualities and the characteristics of milk here in this butter. Now you see chocolate. Chocolate also is made from cocoa beans. Cocoa beans, that is the material that has been used for making this chocolate, but it has undergone a drastic change and the outcome product, the final product, is totally changed. That's why we say chocolate is made from cocoa beans, not made of. I hope you have understood the basic difference of made of and made from. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.